I'm Igor Pasternak, and I'm with the best company, the Aeros. We are the airship manufacturing company. This company with 30 years history is commercial company, always oriented on the customers. We're not introducing before market all regulatory, all technical requirements completed. This is one of the example when, yeah, it's ready. And this is what we announced in the show and why we're so excited about this show. As we're launching our new service, and our new service is urban delivery of the parcels, packages to customers at their doorstep, utilizing the drones and airships. Because as today, the drone delivery in city not happening due to some aviation regulation, the main one, because aviation authority, civil aviation authority required drone pilot need to see his drone all the time while he's doing commercial delivery. Of course, in the city it's impossible, right? There's building, there's trees, and with our airship, what we're introducing, basically drones in our airship. After you place the order, your order will be processing in warehouse, in fulfillment center, put it in the package. All the packages will be assembled on special platform. This airship will arrive, and this airship don't need to land to pick up cargo. It will just hover, lift this platform with packages to the airship belly, fly to the city, and when airship over the city, the drones will fly from the airship to the ground to deliver the package directly to the doorstep of your customer, doorstep or the backyard or the balcony. After drone done this, fly back to airship for next package. In this way, because drone pilots will be sitting together with airship pilot, and now drone pilot can see drone all the time, we're complying with all aviation requirements, regulatory, safety requirements, what is making our ability to introduce this service as today. When it's another services with drone, they still require some development and regulatory approval. We probably meet with every single person, including on vendor side and retail side. Everyone was saying, let's try it. This was really unique. We're definitely coming back next year, let me put it this way. The retail already today see we're not able to do the delivery at same day directly to the customer. If we're not able to reduce cost of delivery 3 times what the system allows compared with traditional ground same day delivery, there's no future. And every single was coming and saying, hey, what do we need to do to try it? Try it or become part of the story. And I find this really amazing. Really amazing. I was just talking with my colleagues, and we were saying it sounds like organizer of the show bring only people who are interested in our technology here. It's customers. We're in the business, right? And the future conversation is to finalize this initial contact, this handshake, what was happening here, to put the real. And we're launching our service, initial service, we're launching beginning of the next year. And I'm absolutely sure we'll see some, it will be limited number of the customers, right? But I'm absolutely sure at this point, some of them will be who we meet at your show. With airship, we're using hydrogen as the fuel. It's zero emission, our drones flying on the batteries. And it's basically all this concept introducing complete supply chain where literally zero emission. Different. One of the unique points is the structure. Your show, it's not so much about what in the booth. You're showing on the business conversation. And because you elevate this business meeting on the top of everything else. This is what makes me different and unique. It's allowed to focus, because sometimes you're attending some trade shows, and after a couple of days you're walking out and you don't remember what was there. It's about the conversation. And this is, I find this really unique.